Finding the derivatives is our topic now, especially the power rule. The power rule of finding the derivatives. The formula is the derivatives of x to the power n with respect to x is equal to n times x to the power n minus 1. You just multiply the original power n to x and subtract 1 to the original power n as exponent of x. Example: the derivatives of x cubed with respect to x is equal to 3 times x to the power 3 minus 1. This is equal to 3x squared because 3 minus 1 is 2 or square. Another example: the derivatives of x to the power of 5 with respect to x is equal to 5x to the power 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4, so 5x to the power 4 is the final answer. Example: the derivatives of x to the power of 8 with respect to x is equal to 8x to the power 8 minus 1, and 8 minus 1 is 7, so the final answer is 8x to the power of 7. Example: the derivatives of x to the power of 9 with respect to x is equal to 9x to the power 9 minus 1, and so the final answer is 9x to the power of 8. These are examples of finding the derivatives of positive exponents. Example: the derivatives of x to the power negative 5 with respect to x is equal to negative 5x to the power negative 5 minus 1, and negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6, so this is negative 5x to the power negative 6. Making this exponent positive, we have negative 5 over x to the power of 6. Example: the derivatives of x to the power negative 7 with respect to x is equal to negative 7x to the power negative 7 minus 1, and negative 7 minus 1 is negative 8, so this is equal to negative 7x to the power negative 8. Making this exponent positive, we have negative 7 over x to the power of 8. These are examples of derivatives of negative exponents of x becoming denominators.